Nut. Blew another CV axle on the Ranger a few months ago. It's been sitting. Got Gabe here.
Hey.
He's gonna help put it in. That thing's pretty rough. Now let's see if this thing starts today. If the battery went dead again. It smells like a two-stroke. Get ready to take the wheels off. It's off the ground already. We found the perfect use for the new torque wrench. Hold the brakes down so they don't spin. I can't find the impact. We're using the old breaker bar today. Look at all the carnage in here. Right.
We got that off. That's pretty nice. Look at that, built in.
Yeah.
Rolling.
Thank you, Ford. Built-in caliper mount on the frame.
Oh! That's handy.
And hopefully this one comes out of the diff as easy as the other one did. Oh yeah, that just popped right out of there. Sick. Oh. I got it like,
where's
the clip is, it popped out. It's just, no. Oh, I forgot we have to take the shock off too.
We got this out of the way, that's nice.
Yeah, let's see this money shot. I got 8% battery. Oh yeah. Here's the part of the show where we learned that I bought the wrong part.
Let's see.
Good sign.
Van and matches.
Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't look anything the same. That's good.
We're gonna need that other jack.
I wonder if this thing's got any oil in it.
It's got oil under it, it's got oil in it. I don't see shit here though.
I don't know what this nut came from. We probably don't need it. Surprisingly, for all this smoke, there is plenty of oil in it. One fresh battery later.
Yeah, luckily it wasn't a hour round trip to the parts store.
We got door chimes now, so that's good. The Super Duty wouldn't even jump it though. It was that dead. Oh yeah.
Did it start?
Oh, top tier battery mount. That's all scrap from the Formula garage. Alright, let's go see if we can get this thing stuck.
That's the most memorable part of the mud log.
Blade for the tractor and smooth some of that out, because I would like this main drag to be dry so people can get back here. Here's Lake Heckman.
Lake Heckman, look at that little puddle.
Wow, look how much the water level dropped from that. It's like 6 inches lower at least.
These tires eat.
Yeah.
Want to turn on the wipers?
I don't know. Probably do. Oh, that made it worse. Oh, it's actually got fluid in it. Most of those rods are not even from this, they're from the Grizzly. Is that a can there? That green thing?
That's a tree stump over there.
No.
It is a can. Damn trespassers. Oh.
I want to build one that like actually has some structure to it.
A good recovery bumper. Trees down with. Smell that burning mud. Right? Some good stuff.
There's a battery light on. I don't know if that's mud. I think we just lost a belt. The power steering went away. Oh yeah. That's
That was not the smell of burning mud. It's very close to burning rubber. Hey, but you cleaned that up. You can see it's red now.
So what did we lose?
Probably when we took this stick up the ass, we pushed the belt off. Luckily, we have tools in the truck to fix this belt situation. Right, Malachi?
No. Walk of shame to go get some tools.
You know what we should do? We should do a time lapse of us walking back up front.
Okay. Gotta figure out how to do that on here. Hold on. This must have been one of these.
There's a culprit right there.
Oh yeah. Took that right to the radiator. Or not radiator, the belt.
So like flying your way to this. Mine's just gonna be like you're walking with your
Yeah, I guess. But you also have diff box and I don't.
Yeah, that'll be a lot of wheels.
But I definitely do have the better tires. And I would imagine I weigh quite a bit less.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
How much is the Ranger weigh? Like 4,000 pounds?
I think it's, somewhere along the lines of 4,000 stock. We'll see.
Our wagon's probably like probably around 6,000. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna do a Google search.
Hey, grab some tools out of the truck. Got Eagle Power Wagon booted up.
Due to superior Chrysler technology, it takes about 8 years to get the lacquers to lock. And you just gotta like go at a low speed.
2 hours later.
Alright, rear's locked after 7 minutes.
What's going on with the GoPro? Hopefully this footage turns out. It's got like the top of the screen's on the bottom. It's like a film projector that's out of time. Oh, now it's frozen up completely. Okay, camera's back to business. Do we have front differential yet? Oh, the camera. Oh, now it's like funny colors.
Oh,
it's on acid. Camera situation is worse now. This is a tight turn. I'm impressed with how nimble that was around that little turn. Uh-oh. There we go. When in doubt, throttle her out, right?
Drummond Island already to ruin the paint on it.
There we are. easiest way I've found is get everything else on and we pull this one off, and that goes on last once we're holding the tensioner. So I'm gonna go down to the bottom and reroute this belt.
Yeah, get the angles, get the angles.
Look at that technique.
You got that figured out yet?
It's like jammed up. Oh, there we go. Bottom is good now.
Top needs to be
So
adjusted. I'm gonna throw these in a mud puddle just so I can get footage of you picking through the mud to find it.
So I got the tensioner, I think, hopefully enough.
Oh, I need more.
All right, hold on. Okay, that's all I got. I'm just tightening the bolt now.
Ah.
Well, it looks like it's on.
The sockets are spilling. There's no way that's max.
There's a tight belt.
Oh,
That looks like it.
I think I got it.
Oh my gosh, yeah, the tensioner like didn't even hardly move when I let off. The other thing I'm worried about, it may or may not be leaking fluid. This is the line from the Shawnee Palooza video that was hitting on the fan when it fell on the jack. So it was pushing up too far here. Now it's all the way here.
Does the oil cooler spin?
No.
all right, we're good.
Hopefully this fixes it. Oh yeah, we got power steering again. Oh yeah. Wow, it's incredible how much the water level on this thing has dropped. It was almost level with the ground before we started. Gotta get your poser shot.
Look at it.
Oh, we should pull the Ranger up right next to it and both stand in front of it. That could be our thumbnail. So here's the tripod rig to stick this in the ground and then clip the GoPro to it. I think I can remotely take pictures on my phone. Let me just clip this on here. And then now we can go stand in front of it and take a thumbnail picture. It's our high-tech camera rig.
Nothing better.
Alright, so we're gonna drag race now. I'm gonna take the ruts over here since I got the big knobbies. We'll put Gabe over here between the trees and the bog. There should be just enough room for him to fit in between all this stuff.
Yeah, my Freightliner can't do it again.
We got this piece of probably shooting target of some sort that the previous owner left on the land. This is gonna be our finish line. Got our camera set up. All right, I'll let you count us off since I'm holding the camera. That's the finish line back there. Good call on the braking zone.
That was a close one. You almost had me there. All right, now let's run it the other way.
We do one in low now. Alright, we're gonna run it in reverse now. Finish line at the boner log back there. Oop. Right there. That was a lot closer. You hear this thing loping?
Oh, your cam change, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, now it's happy. Well, never mind. Just for funsies, let's go through the swamp sideways. Oh, no problem. Alright, we're gonna hit the worst spot on the way out. Let's see what happens.
Allergies, there's like two different types of these. You got HO or regular allergy, alright? You got 4 or 3 6, alright? They're either missiles or sluts, alright? They all have a little bit of that. You get around, like, machine that precise. You know, it's not perfectly. Yeah, I'm saying you know, you're kind of slut. But you can't tell the right genes right now. I've read all sorts of other genes, and the guy said, this is so holy crap, this is so. That's like 4 genes.